Hello everyone, welcome to QRC3 update. My name is Huang and today I'm going to talk about plan entry pasting the data to multiple cell as SAC version 2023.14. So when working in the table, the user can now copy a single cell or value and paste it into multiple cells at once. This simplifies and speed up data entry for planning workflows as users no longer have to paste all different target cells separately. For instance, I got some empty cell over here and I will copy this value and I can paste it to multiple different cells and I will paste it. This will reduce the time amount to paste the data to different cells. And this is the result. So that would help us save a lot of time and the user don't have to paste the target like separately. So today we talked about how to paste data to multiple cells in SAC. Thank you for watching.